Everyone has first date jitters, and it may or may not show, but there's a difference between nerves and no. So we're touching 5 turnoffs.
That's our no.
That probably won't land you a second date. You may not make it through the first one. Yeah? So here we go.
Being late.
Yes.
You sit down at the table, you're waiting, worms in your belly are talking. You have a 1 drinks, you have a 2 drinks, still no date. What do? Do you stay and wait until he or she comes so you can, or do you get up and go?
It depends on why they're late.
Suppose and say you don't hear from them.
No, but if me not hear from them,
you're gone.
Then that means a date off.
Suppose they call and say, Dale, you know what happened? My car accidentally went over a cliff and...
You know the hospital?
Yes.
I have to process.
What would be a good reason for somebody to have you waiting an hour at a table?
An hour for a first date? That may you never go up before in life and miss
Ever, never.
An hour?
Somebody have to
You
be
have
die?
to, like if you're Denzel?
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, but I wait an hour for Denzel.
Of course.
Where's the hour for Denzel?
Well, being late...
I would wait 2 hours
forever for Denzel.
Yeah.
Being late makes
communication. Say something.
Makes a terrible first impression. Guarantees the other person starts the date annoyed. So you come and you're nice and you think and they're fun.
Yeah. Because it almost makes you feel like the person wasn't even excited about coming. Like the date never really matter, you know? It's like, oh, I'm going to go out.
Worse if they come and then they're like, hi, good to see you. All right, so what are we having?
Yeah, wait long.
How about an apology?
You don't wait long.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
No, yeah. Out.
This supposed to kill a date proper.
Talking about an ex.
You know, you remind me of Mark. You guys have the same nose. You know him?
It don't help in no way. And when I say no way, I mean if you're saying bad things about your ex, it don't help. If you're saying good things about your ex, it don't help.
Yeah, ex is just not a...
Ex, not the first date.
No.
Not go panic.
What if you're asked? What if your date asks you?
About the ex?
About your ex.
I'd say, it's too early for us to talk about that. Let's talk about that some other time.
Excellent.
Let's talk about that some other time.
Change the subject and move on.
Come, I don't know why you ask me neither too.
Yeah.
Why you ask me?
It's a creepy question to ask. If somebody asks you like on the first date, so how many boyfriends have you had?
I'm going to give them the answer them I look for. Yeah. No, anybody, that's an out of order question.
Yeah, that's not
Guys,
your business.
do not ask that question.
Yeah.
If you ask that question, brace yourself for the answer you're going to get. Because you're either going to get the truth or you're going to get the answer that you want to hear. Good.
Yeah, give it time.
She going to tell you I didn't have one boyfriend in life.
Or I had 100.
Good.
Which would you feel better with? I don't know.
So no ask.
Yeah.
No ask.
Overindulging.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Drunks are not attractive. Let me just put it that way.
Look here.
You cannot...
You know, say from hell to high water, you can't drink.
Can't take a sup.
Do it. You know if you go so and smell something, no. I'm going to leave you. I'm going to tell you I'm going to the bathroom and I'm taking the long route to my car.
Bathroom is your go-to excuse.
Yeah, man. I'm going to... No, Simone.
No.
You see people get drunk and sloppy.
It's disgusting.
No.
And then, but it's a good thing, because they say a lot of things. And usually drunks they talk a lot of truth when they're drunk. So you could learn a lot. It could be a study for you.
I don't need to learn more than that you drink and get
you take
drunk.
the information and know that, exactly who you're dealing with. And then you move right along.
Because if you're going to be drunk on the first date, then second and third and fourth and fifth, what's going to happen? You got pitch over the ground and I'm going to walk over you.
Yeah, not cute.
And we're saying drinking, I said overindulging. It could be eating too. Like you sit down and you say, why am I hungry?
Shock.
And you just
dropping on your clothes.
I mean, now I say, guys, you're not for eat, but me and you can't go KFC and you order 9-piece. And just go in at the chicken, so.
I'm hungry.
No,
you're hungry, guys. KFC, it's okay to buy 9-piece.
9-piece?
Yes.
What are we going to talk about
and a 2-liter
Pepsi? 9-piece at chicken. Then me and you could have go buy patty and you buy 1 dozen patty and still eat in front of me 1 dozen patty, so.
Who can eat a dozen patties? Not possible. 2 maybe, not 12. All right. Trying to get too serious too quickly. On the first date. Do not ask her how she feel about marriage.
All about
how many children she wants to have. Whether she want to get pregnant anytime soon. Not your business just yet. Give it some time. Get to know the young lady. Ladies, get to know the young man. You'll be surprised, with time, those things just start to come to the fore without even a question. In discussions
similarly,
and so
ladies, similarly, the first date is not the place to roll out all of your utility bills and talk about all the debt that you have. I'm telling you.
No, tell me that on the first date, please and thank you.
No, but I mean, you can't just go to the man and you start telling me, say, boy, I may tell the time hard, you see, I'm the one go back to school.
Oh, you mean the late? Oh.
But me not have the school fee, I beat me. And say, but I tell you, if I come over the house, but me not know if I go on my flight, I go there, they call GPS, might disconnect me. So, and me I want more than laugh. And say, me did have to go catch water next door for bed because and them disconnect water. And me live in one little place, but I tell you if I come for dinner, but a little bit. Really can't hold nobody. Me did see one apartment, but me not have a deposit. Oh my gosh. No.
Gentlemen, I would.
No.
Yeah, I don't know about a second date.
No, Prince, that's not my line. NHT and I already closed our agreement on my home. I'm comfortable where I live. But don't really. It's true. Ladies, I truth me attack. Look at me.
It's true.
Yes.
Yes, because some people up front are going to show you that what they're looking for really is a sponsor and not a partner. So
no, man, wait till you go 2 times. And they say, Lord, look on my phone. Mother call you, but me can't see the screen.
Yours nicey?
Me can't see the screen.
Yeah.
No,
you gotta be careful.
No, men not offering to pay or share the cost. On the first date, the man you could have got on the first date and then me you want to pay for things them.
If it's KFC.
Look.
If you invite me out.
Understanding.
Yes, if you invite me out, then I shouldn't be going into my purse.
If there's an understanding when we're going out, that okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold this one, you're gonna take the next. That's fine.
If you pre-plan.
But no, me go there and then when the bill come after you overindulge. Cause someone
you gone to the bathroom.
When una pay the bill, ladies wanna have this problem too. Is when una pay the bill, una order a little red stripe light or una we order one little club soda or something. When somebody say, may I offer you a drink?
Champagne, please.
Them have any more?
Yes.
And them have any whatever. No do it. Not stretch people in
chicken
pocket.
yard and lobster and all these things.
What you said, Prince, if I don't invite you out, you would pay the bill? If I didn't invite you out, you will pay the bill.
What is that?
Prince says even if the person didn't invite him, if a person invited him out,
he would still pay the bill.
He would still pay the bill.
Okay, Prince.
Ladies, I'm just delivering it how I got it. Consumer affairs, no come look for me because false advertising that a while ago Prince I try put out to the public. Me just have make a know.
They don't want to be too skeptical, but
me just have make a know.
But there are those men still.
Yes.
Who will always
yes,
put
man.
the bill.
No, look, man. Jamaica has some fine men, and they watch Girl Power Tuesday every Tuesday, and they watch Girl Talk every Tuesday. Some of the nicest, caring, wonderful men are from Jamaica. So awful one.
Yes, correct. But we're not putting down.
No.
Let me just put a disclaimer.
I believe in 2018.
Aspirational.
Some of these awful men are going to look at the good ones and say, I need to change my
Hallelujah.
ways. This is how I'm going to be.
Hallelujah.
Yes.
From your
and
lips
that's our woman. They're going to do absence in at 20.
Hello. Yes. Yes. Amen. That's it.
All right. So that's the first date, guys. Don't make those mistakes. Hopefully you'll make it to the second one. If they make these mistakes, I don't know if you need a second one.
Yeah, correctly.
Yeah,
all right.
so
That's it for Girl Talk.
Mm-hmm.